Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a playlist on YouTube Mobile. Here are the detailed steps to make a playlist on YouTube Mobile. Open the YouTube app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Use the search bar at the top to find the video you want to add. Type the words, then tap the search icon. Tap on the video thumbnail to open the video, or tap the three dots next to it. Tap the Save button. It looks like a folder with a plus sign below the video. A pop-up will appear. Tap the plus View Playlist at the top right. Enter a name for your playlist in the name field. Tap the privacy setting below. Choose public, unlisted, or private. Tap create to finish making your playlist. To add more videos, search or browse again. Tap the three dots next to any video. Select Save to Playlist from the menu. Tap the name of your playlist to add the video, then hit Done. You now have a playlist and can add to it anytime. You can also customize the order or edit by just going to Library, Playlist, and the YouTube app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.